she say about me? What did she say? What did you do about me? What did you do? Did you play games without me? What did you do? Did you make all this time that I wouldn't find out? That's why I heard the story over and over again. She's trying to find me her
She's running circles around us.
I'm rusty. Give me a break.
It really is her. But she can't be serious. You know her, Pearl? Can you tell us who she is?
Who am I? Why do you even stay? I'm the loser looking you. Didn't know you were playing. Let's play another game. This time I get to win. That's why I win. It's all playing. That's why I heard the story over and over again. She is so funny. Her friends. Oh, that's why I heard the story over and over again. She is so funny.